All three of them got invites dun sa nakakuha naman ng invites kasi kasama ko dyan sa wishlist ni Coach Jorge. Could you talk about just dahil Coach Jorge having interest in three of you for potentially staying for Alas Vegas?
My thoughts is that syempre honored and thankful, but at the same time, we're still playing this league, we're still playing the UAE. So for now, focus muna kami doon and let's see what happens next after this. Pero yeah, focus kami sa team, focus kami on what we are doing right now kasi mahirap na pag nawala yung focus namin. But yeah, we're so thankful and honored to be part of that.
Same in Academy. Yeah. Thankful din sa opportunity. Nagulat na lang din ako na nandun yung name ko. Pero yun nga, sinabi natin na nasa season kami ngayon. So, dito lang muna kami mag-focus and dito lang muna
the same. I'm pretty sure Athalia really summed it all up. Of course, it's a big honor for us, but at the same time, we're still in the UAP season. We still have our own goal to keep going through, and that's just another chapter that we're not focused on right now.
So just what does it say na lang about the LaSalle program per se na yun nga tatlo kayo and then there's Angel also and even before you guys ang daming LaSalle players na talaga nag-shine for our national team?
Siguro nandun yung tiwala ng national team sa system ng LaSalle and at the same time LaSalle has been winning championship the past few years. So syempre yung tiwala and at the same time parang maybe they want to adapt something na natututunan ng players. But yeah.
Shabana, learning volleyball just a few years back, can you just talk about your growth in the sport?
Of course, I'm very happy with how I'm growing as a player, but I know that in a way I'm still a rookie, I'm still learning, I'm still trying to improve, and this is all just really a blessing, and I'm just happy to be in this right now and have this opportunity.
To all the players, gaano kasaya na lang sa feeling na yun na apat kayong magkakasama sa call-up sa Alas na galing sa LaSalle? Anong klaseng bonding mabibigay na sa inyo?
Siguro, if ever, man matuloy kami doon, mas comfortable kami kasi we have each other's backs and at the same time, pag may problem man, ayun, nandun kami para sa isa't isa and doon namin nag-feel if okay ba or hindi.
Ako, yun, thankful and siguro kung mabigyan ng chance na magkakasama kami, syempre, nandun yung connection talaga kasi yun, matagal na kami magkakasama and we understand each other.
Just what Athalia and Amy said, if we do have the chance to all be together, there's also players who are in Alas like Atathea, Atamar, so there is that connection as well as personally, I don't know much other volleyball players, like I haven't been here, so it's nice to know that I have people who have my back.
Amy, siguro para sa iyo lang yung LaSalle talagang may history siya of developing good middle blockers even sa national team like sila Ate Mika, sila Ari Maranyo, and then of course si Thea. So siguro para sa iyo na lang, how does it feel lang to now live up to that type of branding, I would say, for LaSalle middle blockers?
Nandun yung pressure and thankful ako to be part of that history na ako na ngayon yung first MV sa LaSalle.